What's inside this mysterious package from Dubai is going to blow your mind. The brand new Nothing Phone 3A. Thank you Khalid and Nothing for hooking me up with this. This is literally a crazy phone. But don't worry, this is not going to be your normal unboxing video. It's something special. As we go through this video, we'll be checking out features that even other Android phones doesn't have. Some are exclusive to iPhones, but this Nothing phone has it all. I've already got the Nothing Phone 2 and the Nothing Watch on my collection, but this phone is just another whole level. We all notice this new button, right? The Essential key. This button is for the Essential space. I've been using the Essential key for over a month now, and it's literally become my second brain. Yes, second brain. I can't live without this thing now. Bro, let me show you an example. Remind me to tell Harry about the meeting today at 6. And it goes to the Essential space. Now, if you open the Essential space, you can see it summarizes our conversation and it writes it down. Ensure to inform Harry on time. How crazy is this? You can even attach screenshots with this. Now, check this. I take a normal image. It cuts out the background. I can save it. And the cool part is, I can drag it to WhatsApp and all and send it without the background. This feature only iPhones have, no other Android phone have other than our Nothing. Now for a feature that's not available on Android or any other iPhone. Well, this Android has it. Check it out. You can add your own type of presets like soft focus, BAW, wide angle, I don't know. For Reels, I have this specific type of preset. You can go to, here and just come down and click on create presets. You can check the angle, the filter, the exposure, which camera to use, video, time lapse, photo mode, all the stuff. For example, take your camera, click the preset and you are in that mode. Not just filters, from angles to zoom ins to lighting, everything. This is a preset like that for camera mode. I don't know if I've never seen a feature like this on any other Android, and no one is talking about this. This is actually crazy. Go check this out. This phone, Nothing 3A, is so cool. So will you try these Nothing AI features? Drop it down in the comments, like the video, comment, do all the stuff, whatever YouTubers tell you to do. Anyway, my name is Rahul. You're watching Rahul the Rockstar, and I am signing out.